Namaste, everyone.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, namaste, everyone. So in today's class, we are going to calculate the volume of spheres and hemispheres. We have already finished surface area and volumes of cone. We have also done surface area of spheres. Okay. In today's class, we'll cover the volume of spheres. Okay. And hemispheres. Okay. See, hemisphere is half of a sphere. So whatever is the volume of a sphere, hemisphere will be half of that. That's all. Okay. So let me write the formula. Just remember the formula. So volume of a sphere, volume of a sphere, volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. What is r? R is nothing but the radius of the sphere. Okay. What is r? Radius of the sphere. What is r? Radius of the sphere. Radius of sphere. Okay. And pi is a constant, you have to use 22 by 7. Always. Okay. So let's start with solving some questions. Okay. We'll maybe solve this question. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 11.2 centimeter. Okay. So radius is given, so we can find the volume. What will be the volume? Volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. What is r? 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2. Is it possible to simplify? Yes. See, whenever it is possible to simplify, we will simplify. If not, we will multiply the numerator, we will multiply the denominator and then divide. If it is possible to simplify, we'll simplify. Now, all of you see, whenever we have decimals, I can write like this now. See, 4 by 3. Look how I'm writing. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 11. So 112 by 10. Why 10? Because one decimal point. 112 by 10 and 112 by 10. Okay. Now here it is possible to simplify. See, 7 ones are 7. Okay. Next, 7 ones are 7 and 7 6 are 42. Yes or no, everyone? So it was possible to simplify, so we have simplified. If it is not possible, we will not simplify. 3, is it possible to simplify any number? No. How do you check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? You find the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So we cannot divide by 3. So what we'll do right now is we have to multiply the numerator. Okay. And see, denominator, we just have 3 or 10 and all is there, but we'll not divide by this because we'll put decimal places because of this. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just multiply all of these. Okay. So if you multiply, it will take time. Okay, obviously. So 4 into 22 into 16 into 112 into 112. I'm actually getting, okay. If you multiply, the numerator will get 17661,952 divided by 3 into 1000. You can write 3000 also, but I'm writing 3 into 1000. Why? Because I'll divide this by 3 and then I'll put the decimal places. So if you divide by 3, you'll actually get what? If you divide by 3, you'll get 5887317.333 like that. Divided by what? Divided by 1000. Okay. Now, since we have 1000 in the denominator, we can put 3 decimal places, right? We can put 3 decimal places to the left. So it will become 5887.317. Okay. Centimeter cube. Yes or no, everyone? Very nice. Can you all try this question? Just 1 minute. I'll give you the question or something. Just go through this one and then I'll give you a question. So exercise 11.4. Okay. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7. You try this question. The other one will be homework. Try this and tell me the answer in the chat box. Do it quickly. Since number is small, I have given this right now. Otherwise, I would not have given also. Okay, because big numbers will take a lot of time to multiply also. Okay. And please, everyone, make a habit of giving the answer in three decimal places. Okay. 3 decimal places always. Some people have found also 1 minute. Stutit is not correct. Abhinav, right, good. Rashu not correct. Maybe I'll do this quickly. Otherwise, like, you all try, but I'll do it. All of you listen. You can try this question at home, okay? Okay, I cannot do this question again. I cannot give this question also because, see, we'll just be wasting time. If I give this question, see, you have to apply simple formulae, right? Multiply, divide, you know how to do it. But I'll do this question right now, okay? See, what is the formula for volume of us? And see how much time it takes, okay? Now it is like, maybe I'll switch in the timer also. You have to just practice at home, okay? Timer, okay? Maybe if 2 minutes, I think it's more than sufficient. 3 and see, most time it takes. Okay, so we'll start. See, we know volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7. And r cube is 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now look, this 7 gets cancelled. Yes. Now, we just have to multiply because no more cancellation possible. So we just have to multiply. So if you multiply these two numbers, see, if you multiply these two numbers, you'll get 88. Yes. And if you multiply these two numbers, you get 49. Okay. Now, I have told you one technique of Vedic maths. What do we do? We just multiply these two. Okay. 72 will get, right, 2. And 7 is carryover. Okay. 7 is carryover. Now you cross multiply and add. Okay. So if you cross multiply, see, 72 plus 32. Okay. So 4 and 10 plus 7 you have to do because 7 was a carryover, right? Yes. You have to multiply, cross multiply, and then add them. Okay. So you'll get 104 plus 7. So you'll get 111. Okay. See, in 111, 1 is you have to write, and 11 is carryover. Okay. 8 for the 32. Now you have to multiply these two and add 11. Okay. So 43. So 4, 3, 1, 2 is the answer if you multiply 88, like, I mean, if you multiply the entire thing. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Now we have to divide by 3 because 3 is only there, right? 7 got cancelled. So we are left with 4, 3, 1, 2 divided by 3. All of you look how to divide. Okay. All of you look. So we have 4, 3, 1, 2 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1. And bring down 3. 3 fours are 12. Okay. 3 fours are 12. 1. Bring out one another. 3 threes are 9. Okay. 2. You bring another 2. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. 1. Then put one decimal. Okay. Put one decimal and put a 0. And 3 threes are, it will keep going. 3 threes are, 3 threes are, 3 threes are, like that. Okay. Since we want 4 decimal, since we want answer in 3 decimal places, we have to find answer up to 4th decimal. I have found out and round up to 3 decimal. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 1437.33 centimeter cube. Okay. It has taken less than 3 minutes. Okay. 14. The answer which you have got is 1437.333. Okay. 3 decimal places you have to give. 33. Okay. See, I have told you the technique. Okay. Once you know the technique, you have to work it out. Okay. Don't actually think that I'll work out all the questions. Okay. Because just you have to apply formula. Okay. That you can do at home. Okay. I'll share my screen. Okay. And see, Lokajit, see, if you're rounding off, see, for example, I've got 1437.3333, like that I'm getting, right? See, if I want to round up to 3 decimal places, I'll look at the 4th decimal, right? See, it is less than 5, right? So don't increase this one. Only if it is 5 or more than 5, you have to increase the previous one. Understood? Yes. That is a mistake you have made, actually. Yes. Okay. Okay. See, you can all do this second question also at home, not right now, because radius is given. In the second question, no, we have to find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Diameter they have given. See, suppose I have maybe a glass. This glass I'm having, okay? I'm having a spherical ball. See, if I drop the spherical ball, right, whatever is the volume of that spherical ball, no, that will be the volume of water which will come out. If I fully fill this glass, if I put a sphere of some volume, whatever water comes out will be equal to the volume of the solid sphere. Okay. So basically in this particular question, right, second question, we have to find the volume of the sphere. Okay. In the second question, we have to find volume of sphere. So amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter, this will be the volume of the sphere. Now diameter is given, you find the radius. How to find radius? Divide by 2 and find the volume. So second question also can be done easily. Yes or no, everyone? See, third question is also very easy, but I'll do it. Okay. Third question is also very, very easy, but still I'll do it. Okay. It's like finding the cost. Okay. Like when surface area one and all were given, right? It's just like that. I'll show you. Okay. Abhinav, can you read the question, please?
The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube?
Okay. Now see, they want the mass of the ball if the density of the ball of the metallic ball is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. That means for 1 centimeter cube of volume, what is the mass? 8.9. See, 8.9 gram per centimeter cube means for 1 centimeter cube of volume, this is the mass. Okay. See, what is density? Density is mass by volume, right? You have studied. Density is mass by volume. That means for this much volume, this is the mass. Okay. Now, how to find the mass of the ball? See, to find the mass of the ball, first of all, we'll find the volume of the ball. To find the mass of the ball, we will find the volume of the ball. Okay. See, 1 centimeter cube is this much gram. So whatever centimeter cube we are getting of whatever centimeter cube you are getting, that will multiply with 8.9. So 1 centimeter cube is this much. Suppose you get x centimeter cube. So to find the mass, x into 8.9. X is the volume, whatever like answer comes. Okay. So let's find the volume. It's very, very easy. Okay. So diameter is given. So what will be the radius of the metallic ball? 4.2 by 2. I'll write 2.1. See, here it's easily getting cancelled, so I'm writing 2.1. If it was not getting cancelled, right? Suppose I was having 3.5 by 2. Here also I can actually do it. Cancellation, I can do it. Okay. But I'll write like this itself. It will be easy. Okay. So here I'm writing 2.1. Okay. Radius is 2.1. Okay. Radius is 2.1. Now, what is the volume? See, metallic ball is spherical. So volume of metallic ball. Volume of the metallic ball is 4 by 3. Okay. Into pi r cube. Okay. 4 by 3 into pi r cube. So 4 by 3. R is what? 2.1 into 2.1 into. So I can write this as, here I'll write 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 10 into 20 by 10. Okay. See, 7 3s are 21. 3 gets cancelled. 2, no. I will not cancel anymore. Why I'll not cancel anymore? See, if you cancel, you'll get 5. Again, you divide by 5. It will be tough. Okay, it will be tough. So what we'll do is we'll multiply and we'll put decimal places. Okay, so if you multiply, no? 4 into 22 into 21 into 21. I'm actually getting 38808 divided by 1000. So if you put 3 decimal places, you get 38.808. Okay, 38.808. Okay, so 38.808. Okay, is the volume. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Now, once you get the volume, okay, we know that 1 centimeter cube is this much gram. Therefore, we'll say this is actually, please write the unit also. Okay, this is centimeter cube. Okay, so now we will say, we'll have to write this again actually. Maybe I'll write it here. Next page I'll go. Okay, next page. So 1 centimeter cube is 8.9 gram. Therefore, 38.808 centimeter cube will be what? 38.808 into 8.9 grams. Okay. Now you have to just multiply. We have to just multiply 38.808 into 0.9. So I'm getting 345.391. 2 I'm getting, but if you round off, it will get 1. Okay. So 345.391 gram. Okay. So this is the answer. So mass of the ball is 345.391 gram. See, if you're getting a very big number, okay. For example, I'm getting here 2. Okay, 2. Suppose I'm getting 2. You please convert to kg. See, this is very small number, so we can leave it. Okay. Because if you convert to kg, you'll get 0 point something. So this is fine. But if you're getting like this, you please convert to kg. Why? Because you get 2.345 kg. Yes or no, everyone? So small number, gram is fine. It's very small. Okay. But if it is in like more big number, please convert to kg. Okay. It's not written in textbook, but that is what you have to do. Okay. Every time. If you get big numbers. Okay. Fine. And let's do the next question. Let's do this one. use multiple screens, right? It actually becomes sometimes. Just one minute. The next question. This one definitely you can try. It's actually very easy. We have done a similar type of question. Okay, try this one. Just 1 minute, I'll share my screen. Yeah, try out this question. All of you do this. All of you know, just forget about fraction. Okay, just find ratio of, you just find the like this. Okay, find the ratio of the volume of earth to that of the volume of moon. Just find this. Okay, forget about fraction. I'll tell you this fraction. Okay, first find the ratio of volume of earth to that of the volume of moon. Find this. This you can do it because we have done a similar question in class itself. Do it. No, no, no. No, Sir Chaitanya. No pressure, still not correct. Not pressure, Suvashita. Still not correct. I just want the ratio of the volume of the earth to the volume of the moon. Just I want that answer. Ratio of the, yes, right. Yes, Suvashita, right. No, Roshan, not right. No, Aditya, not right. What I told you, we have to find the ratio of volume of earth to volume of moon. Okay. See, both earth and moon are spherical. How do we know? They are given diameter, so we have to take it spherical only. Okay. And what is volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now see, both Earth and Moon, they're having different radius because diameter is different, so radius will be different. So I'll use notation. I'll say volume of Earth is 4 by 3 pi Re. That is radius of the Earth cube, and 4 by 3 pi radius of the Moon cube. 4 by 3, and pi gets cancelled. So see, to find ratio, we just have to find the ratio of the radius of the Earth and the Moon, that also in cube. Both has to be in cube. Okay. So radius of the Earth to radius of the Moon cube. See, if I have a by b, the whole cube, can I write a cube by b cube? Now, if I have this, I can also write like this, right? So a cube by b cube means I can write a by b the whole cube. So this also I can write re by rm, the whole cube I can write. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Now, in the question they have given a radius of the, diameter of the moon. Diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth. Okay. Diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the Earth. See, diameter is twice the radius, right? 2 times radius of the moon will be equal to 1/4 into diameter is 2 times the radius of the. Okay. See, diameter is twice the radius, right? 2 gets cancelled. That means if diameter is 1/4, radius will also be 1/4. I have told this thing even previous classes. I have told, okay, that if diameter is 1/4, radius also will be 1/4. If diameter is 1/3, radius will also be 1/3. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Now, radius of the moon is, see, if you simplify, you will actually get a radius of the moon is Re by 4. 1/4 means Re by 4. Radius of the moon is Re by 4. Okay. So what I'll do now, okay, we can do anything. We can substitute this like instead of this or instead of this, whatever if you want, because anyway we want to simplify. So Re, I'll write as it is. But Rm, no. I will write Re by 4. Because radius of the moon is Re by 4, right? Radius of the Earth by 4. The whole cube. The whole cube. Okay. Now see, if you want to simplify this, okay. Maybe I'll solve it in the next page. Okay, here it will be. Okay, see, Re. See, this is a divide, right? Divided by Re by 4. The whole cube. Okay. See, whenever we have this divide, if you convert to multiply, you take reciprocal, right? So Re gets cancelled, you get 4. What is 4 cube? 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. So 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. That means 64. Okay, we have got answer as 64. 64 by 1 also again, right? 64 by 64 by 1. That means what? A ratio of the volume of the Earth to the volume of the moon is 64:1. See, we have got volume of the Earth to the volume of the moon is 64:1. If they ask ratio, we have tried ratio of the volume of the Earth to the volume of the moon is 64:1. But they're not asking ratio. The question is something else. The question is like, what fraction? Okay. See, fraction means what? Part of a whole. You have a complete thing. Part of that is actually part of a whole is called a fraction. Okay. Fraction is part of a whole. Now, the question is like this. What fraction of the volume of the Earth is the volume of the moon? Okay. What fraction of the Earth is the volume of the moon? Okay. Now, that means what? If you look here, in this, see, we want to write volume of moon in terms of volume of Earth. That has to be very, very clear. They have told what fraction of the volume of the Earth is the volume of the moon. That means we want to write volume of moon in terms of fraction of the volume of the Earth. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. That means we have to like rewrite this equation in some other way. I'll take reciprocal. Okay. See, suppose 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Then write 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, it will be true. Okay. So same way, here I'll take reciprocal. Why am I taking reciprocal? Because I want to write volume of moon in terms of volume of Earth, and it will become easy if I take reciprocal. I'll show you how. See, I'll take reciprocal. So volume of moon volume of moon by volume of earth is 1 by 64. Just take reciprocal. Okay. So what will be volume of moon? Volume of moon will be equal to, take this to the right side. So 1 by 64 into 1 by 64 into, okay, volume of earth. So what we see, volume of earth is 1 by 64th of volume of the earth. Okay. So volume of moon is 1 by 64th fraction of the volume of the earth. You can say like that. Volume of moon is 1 by 64th fraction of the volume of earth. Yes or no, everyone? You have right one conclusion. You know how to write it. Okay. Volume of moon is 1 by 64th fraction of volume of earth. Yes or no? Understood, everyone? Yes. Okay. Okay. Next, let's do another question. See, I told you volume of a sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. So volume of a hemisphere will become volume of a hemisphere will be half. Half of this will be what? 2 by 3. See, half means what? See, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you divide by 2, it will become 2 by 3. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Just remember that. Okay. So now this question, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Abhinav, unmute yourself. Tell me, 1 decimeter cube is equal to dash liters. Abhinav, unmute yourself.
1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter.
1 liter. Excellent. Good. It's correct. Next. Stuti, 1 meter cube is equal to dash liters.
1000 liters.
1000 liters. Please, everyone, remember this. Like what to say, equality. It's actually very, very important to do the conversion. Okay. Now, to convert, see, actually, you can find answer in meter cube or decimeter. That is totally up to you. They are given in centimeter. If you want, you can find answer in meter cube also. That is totally up to you. So for this, you have to convert this into meter. If you want to find answer in meter cube, you have to convert this into meter. That's all. So let's find in meter cube itself. Okay, not a problem. So how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter this much hold? Okay. See, diameter of the bowl is given. So we can find radius. What will be radius? 10.5 by 2. That will be the radius of the hemispherical bowl. See, to find the number of liters, first of all, we'll find the volume and then use the relation to find the liters. Okay. So volume of the hemispherical bowl will be what? 2 by 3 pi is 22 by 7 r cube. That means 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Okay. 10.5 by 2. Okay. So let us write this again. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 10. 105. Okay. Now let's simplify. See, 7 is a 7, 7 is 7, 7, 5 is 35. 2 gets cancelled. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and this 5 will get cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 3 gets cancelled. Okay. Now we cannot simplify. We can do with 5, but again, that will become complex. See, if you do with 5, no. Again, I divide by 5, that will be tough. Okay. So that's all. We'll leave it. We'll just multiply and then divide. Okay. We'll just multiply and divide. So let me multiply. I'll not do it manually. 105 into 105 into 11. 121,275 divided by, see, 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 100 I'll write. Okay, 4 into 100 I'll write. That means I'll divide 121,275 by 4. If you divide by 4, no, you will get 30318.75 divided by 100. Now shift decimal places, you will get 303.1875. Okay, 303.1875. This is what? This is centimeter cube, because we have substituted centimeter itself, right? We'll get centimeter cube. Okay, so volume we have found out to be volume is equal to, just let volume is equal to 303.1875 centimeter cube. Okay, now I have written 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. You can remember one more relation also. Okay, that you can just remember 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is going to be 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 1000 of a liter. Okay, 1 centimeter cube is 1 by 1000. This is another relation. It can come from this. Okay, you can also see from this you can derive this. From this you can derive this. Anything you can do. Okay, I've actually taught all these things. Okay, in science classes I have not taught in maths. Okay, it's not required also. If you want, you can watch. I'll share. I actually have shared once. Okay, you can just check the stream of 9th maths, you'll get it. Okay, it'll be there for sure. Okay, so now see, 1 centimeter cube is this much liters. So 303 will be how much? 303 point that much will be how much? 303.1875 centimeter cube will be how much liters? 303.1875 into 1 by 1000. Into 1 by 1000. That means you have to put 3 decimal places. So it will become 0.303. That's all, because we have round off the 3 decimal places, right? So 303 liters. This is the answer. 0.303 liters. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. All of you show a thumbs up if you are able to understand, okay? Yes, very nice. Okay. Yes. Now can you all try this question? All of you first read the question, I'll discuss, okay? You don't have to do it, just read the question, just understand, try to understand. We have done a similar question in surface area. We have done, okay? I'll show you, maybe one we have done it actually. Similar question, exactly similar question we have done in surface area. 9th maths. Surface, I think the 5th. I think the 5th we have done. Which is it? Third, 4th day. Yes. Perfect. All of you look. See, in the 4th lecture, this was the question. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel of 0.25 centimeter thick. In the given question, no, it says the inner radius is, here the inner radius is what? See, here the inner radius is 5. But in the given question, the inner radius is 1 meter. Okay. This is 1 meter. Okay. And thickness here is 0.5 centimeter thick. But thickness in the given question is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Instead of 0.5, it is 1. So diagram is same. See, in the given question, it says a hemispherical tank is made of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So this is 1 centimeter thick. Inner radius is 1. Inner radius is 1. Find the volume of iron to be used to make the tank. Okay. So maybe I'll take this picture. See, all of you have to understand first, okay? I repeat the question. I'll actually read the question once again. It says a hemispherical tank is made of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. So we are having a hemispherical tank. Okay, it is made of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. If the inner radius is 1, find the volume of iron to be used to make the tank. We don't have to find the volume it can hold. We don't have to find this. We don't have to find this. We have to find the volume of iron to be used to make the tank. That means we have to actually find this one. We have to find the volume of this. Are you all getting the question first? What we have to find out? We have to find the volume to make the sheet. See, suppose if I'm making a glass, okay, or if I have a bowl, like actually explain. I have to bring, okay. You understand, right? See, if you have a bowl, okay, this is a bowl only. So this this volume we have to find out. This thickness volume we have to find out. See, some metal is used here to make it this much thick, right? We have to find volume of that. How do we find it? Very, very simple. All of you look. First of all, we will find the volume of the hemisphere. First of all, we will find the volume of the hemisphere with outer radius. Outer radius. Okay, that means we'll find this. See, if you find this volume with outer radius, you'll get this much part, right? This much part, full, this much part. If you subtract the volume of the hemisphere with inner radius, if you subtract this part, I mean this part. If you subtract the inside part, you'll get the material used, right? Are you all getting or not getting? See, if you find out the volume of the hemisphere, okay, if you find the volume of the hemisphere with the outer radius, okay, that is, what will be the outer radius here in the chat box? Can you all put, what will be the outer radius? What will be the outer radius? How it will be 1? See, inner radius is 1.1. Okay, thickness is 1. Okay, but this is 1 meter, this is 1 centimeter. Okay, so first you convert this into meter, so it will become 0.01 meter. So outer radius will be this plus, like, I mean 1 plus this. This is outer radius. All of you understand which is the outer radius? Outer radius is from here till here, okay, till here. That means outer radius is 1.01 meter. What is inner radius? Inner radius is only up to here. Inner radius is only up to here. That's all. That is 1 meter. So what I'm saying is, to find the volume of iron sheet used, first you find the volume with outer radius. That means you find this volume. You find this volume, okay? First you have to find this volume. Then, see, this will give, if you find the volume of this, you'll get the entire thing, right? But the entire thing is not made up of iron, right? What is made up of iron? Only this much part is made up of iron. See, only this much part is made up of iron. I'll show you. Only this much part is made up of iron. Only this much part is made up of iron. This much part. This much part. This much part. This much part is made up of iron. Only this much part is made up of iron. So if you find the volume with the outer radius and subtract the volume of the inner volume with the inner radius, that means if you subtract this part, see, if you subtract this part, you will get the volume of the iron sheet used, right? Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Lokashit, you are not getting? No, you're not getting? It's actually very simple only. Like, how do I? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. I'll explain, don't worry, just 1 minute. Okay. What is this, Lokajit? What is this?
So this is the cylinder.
Solid cylinder, correct? This is solid cylinder. See, volume of the solid cylinder is this entire thing. Yes, the entire is solid, right? So that is a volume. See, suppose you want to make a solid cylinder. If you want to make a solid cylinder and if you want to find the volume, we have to find the volume of everything, correct? But instead of this is solid cylinder. Suppose if I have a hollow cylinder, something like this. Okay. Something like just one. Just one. Something like this. Okay. See, if you want to find the volume of material used for making this, okay. See, what is the material used here? Only this parts, right? Okay. So how do you find the volume of material used here? See, initially, Lokajit, if you assume that this fully is made up of like maybe iron, okay, fully is made up of iron. So you find the volume with the outer radius, I mean up to this point. See, if you find the volume of cylinder with this much radius, okay, if you find the volume with this much radius, outer radius, this is outer radius, RO, you will get this part, right? This full, it will be like a solid cylinder. It will become like a solid cylinder, yes or no? Now, if you find the volume of the cylinder with inner radius means up to this much point, okay? Inner radius means up to this much point, okay? RE. See, inner radius means you are finding volume, only this much volume. Say 1 minute, it's not actually visible. Only this much. This is volume with inner, okay? And volume with RO, that is outer, is this volume. 1 minute. This entire thing. Yes or no? Now, if you want to find the volume like used to make this one, hollow one, find the volume with outer radius and subtract volume with inner radius. You'll get the this much part, right? This much part you'll get, right? Yes or no? Same logic we are applying, the same logic, exactly the same logic we apply here. Here it's actually hemispherical. So first we find the volume with outer radius and then we subtract the volume with inner radius. So if you subtract now, you'll get this orange part. Yes or no? That's all. Yes. So 1 minute. People are, oh, you have found it. See, while I'm explaining, nobody should do any question. Okay, that is my humble request. Okay, you may get the correct answer, but trust me, you will lose a lot of things. Okay, whatever I'm telling is not only for like locally, it's actually for everyone. You will actually get to understand concept in depth. Trust me. If somebody has a doubt, it doesn't mean other people have understood everything. It's not like that. You listen. We should always be open to learning. Okay, don't think you know everything. Even I don't know everything. How can you know everything? So just listen, okay? Whenever I'm explaining, you listen, okay? So, volume of iron. See, let me take the outer radius to be, I'll write RO, and inner radius to be RI, okay? So, volume of iron used to make the tank is equal to 4 by 3 pi r naught cube minus, okay, so it's hemisphere, right? So 2 by 3, okay? 2 by 3 pi r naught cube minus 2 by 3 pi ri square. So volume r cube, okay? So volume of the hemisphere with outer radius and minus volume of the hemisphere with inner radius, okay? Now see, don't evaluate these two separately. Take common, okay? So what is common? 1 minute. 2 by 3 pi is common. R naught cube minus Ri cube. We just have to simplify. Put the values. You know, see what is outer radius? Outer radius is 1.01. Don't put 2. This is meter, this is centimeter. Don't put 2. 1.01. So it will be like 2 by 3 into 22 by 7. Outer area is 1.01. The whole cube minus 1 cube. Simplify this, you'll get the answer. Yes or no, everyone? You can do it, right? Yes or no? You have to do it, okay? I will not do calculation part. You have to do it, okay? You have to do it. Calculation part is very easy only. You can do it. Okay? 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Then the same thing has happened. Okay. Perfect. Now, remaining questions, let's discuss. Okay. So now, okay. 7th question. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is given. See, to find the volume of sphere, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. We need radius. But they're given surface area. They're given surface area. So we can find r using surface area. Right? What is surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is 154. You know pi, you can find r because that is only variable. Once you find r, substitute here, you can find the volume. Yes or no? You can all do it, right? Yes or no? See, you have only one variable here, right? So it will be 4 into 22. We have done actually this question, okay? We have done how to find r. We have done it, okay? Is equal to 154. This is by 1 you can think of, okay? So you take to the other side, okay? So r square is equal to 154 into 7. Why I'm not writing into 1? Because anything into 1 is the same thing, okay? And then this one you take down. So 4 into 22. You try to simplify it, take a root. You'll get the answer. Yes or no, everyone? And once you get the radius, you have to substitute here, you'll get the volume. This question is done. Okay, next. Just 1 minute. 8th question. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. So dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of this much. If the cost of whitewashing is 20 rupees per square meter, find the inner curved surface area of the dome. Find the volume of air inside the dome. See, to find the volume of air inside the dome, we need radius, right? Is radius given? No. To find the inside surface area, it's actually very simple. If you actually read the question, then only you can understand. See, dome is something like this in the form of hemisphere, something like this, okay? This is how dome is. It's not exactly hemisphere. You have to actually imagine, okay? It's a hemisphere, right? So dome is like this, okay? From inside, it was whitewashed. So you're whitewashing from inside. Inside, you're whitewashing. Like that means you're whitewashing CSA, right? That means you're whitewashing CSA, right? Yes. If dome is in the shape of a hemisphere, you're whitewashing the inside part. What is the cost you have to pay? You have to pay this much. So for whitewashing CSA, you have to pay this much. If the cost of whitewashing is 20 rupees per square meter, see, you have to pay 20 rupees. You have to pay 20 rupees for 1 meter square. How much you paid? This much. So can you find out how much area you painted? Yes or no? You can find, no? See, rupees 20 you have to pay for 1 meter square. This is total amount you are paying. This is the total amount you are paying for whitewashing the entire inside. So 1 rupees, how much you can paint? For 1 rupees, you can paint 1 by 20. So for this much rupees, how much you can paint? So rupees 4989.60. How much you can paint? Just 1 minute. For this much, you can paint how much? You can paint 4989.60 into 1 by 20. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Now, so this will actually give you the surface area. Okay, this will give the surface area. See, once you know the surface area, inside surface area of the dome, okay, you know surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square is equal to this. See, if 2 pi r square is equal to this, you can find radius, right? Because pi is 22 by 7, it's a constant. You can simplify, get radius, right? Yes or no, everyone? And once you get the radius, you can find the volume. This question also you have to do at home. Okay, I've just explained. You have to just do it. That way only you have to do it. Okay. Maybe this one I'll easily cancel. See, look, see 10, 2 tens are, see, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16. And put one decimal. So you'll get 249.48. This is the answer for the surface area, a meter square. This is the inside surface area. So that is equal to this one, 249.48. Using this, you have to find R. Once you get R, you can find volume also. Okay. Next, 9th question. I'll discuss. I understand it's time up, but please wait. We'll finish it off. Okay. We'll finish it off quickly. Because next class I want to start with another chapter. Okay. This is over. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r. Now, otherwise, what you can do is you try out both these questions by yourself. Okay. I'll record the solution for this. I'll actually explain. Okay, I'll explain the 2 questions. Okay. I'll give a detailed solution, just like I give for chapter wise test, right? I'll give it for this. But first you try out. Don't search the question answers anywhere. Okay? Don't search anywhere. First you try by yourself. Okay. I'm very sure with whatever concepts you have discussed, right? You can do both these questions. You can do it. I'm 100% sure. Okay. But still, I'll actually give you the solution in recorded form. Okay. And if you have doubt also after watching that recording, you can ask. Okay. With this, we'll stop. If anybody is having a doubt in whatever we discussed so far, you can wait and ask. If you don't have a doubt, you can leave. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye and good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.